What's up everyone? In this video, we'll be explaining Patreon payment methods, so stick around to the end so you can find which works for you. Now, because Patreon is a global community that connects creatives with their fans or supporters, they need to have different payment methods which everyone can pick from. And in this video, we'll be talking about 5 main payment methods which you can pick from depending on your location and your preference. The first option is using credit or debit cards. Now, members can add their credit or debit cards to their account, so during checkout, the process of payment can be easy. These funds, when paid, will be sent to your creator's balance. Patreon accepts Visa Card, MasterCard, Discover, JCB, and 3DS. Do take note that Patreon does not accept prepaid or gift cards for membership. The second option is PayPal. Now, if PayPal is your go-to option for payment methods, you'll be happy to know that you can use your PayPal to make transactions on Patreon. So once your PayPal is funded, Patreon can easily get the funds and make payments according to what you want. Now, due to governmental or local regulations, some countries will not be allowed to use PayPal. So you want to check if PayPal is unrestricted in your country. Now, for credit card or debit cards or PayPal, you have these options available when you're using a PC. As you can see, card and PayPal is available right here. However, there are 2 other options which you can use as a payment method on Patreon. You have Apple Pay and Venmo. This might be a favorite option if you're in the US or using an Apple device, as both Apple Pay and Venmo options are available on iOS devices. Now, with the Apple Pay, you just simply need to connect your Apple Pay wallet to your Patreon in order to have this transaction successful. The same goes with Venmo. All you need to do is to select Venmo on your iOS device's payment methods and then click on the appropriate button to connect your Venmo to your Patreon. These 2 funding sources will be available for you to use if you're using your iOS device. And then as the 5th option, you have Sofort. Sofort Direct Debit is an easy and trusted local payment method for many members using desktop, mobile web, and Android app versions of Patreon. With Sofort, members can authorize direct debit with their local bank through a portal on Patreon. Do take note that members of Sofort will have their payments processed in euros, and also if their account is registered in either Australia, Belgium, Germany, Netherlands, or Switzerland. So all these options are geared at helping both creatives and supporters or fans to be able to send and receive funds easily without a hassle. And with these options possible, you can go ahead and enjoy the perks of being a member and a user on Patreon. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.